dear friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. Today's video is part 2 in a 4-part series of cleaning and organizing. This is also in collaboration with several other YouTubers, hosted by Penny from Penny's Lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Now, when Penny extended the invitation for an open collab, cleaning and organizing, I told her I'm all in because, as you know, I enjoy cleaning and organizing our home, and this was all up my sleeve. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be cleaning and organizing a closet in a spare bedroom, one that I've never organized before. So I'm really excited about this. And if you'd like to see what I'm up to, come with me. Now, there's several creators that are co-hosting this collab with Penny, and I'm going to be listing each individual's name in just a few more minutes. But just a quick reminder, if you have not already done so, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel for weekly organizational videos. And again, I'm going to be listing in no particular order all the co-hosts in this collab. Welcome to our spare bedrooms closet. I am so excited today to be cleaning and organizing this closet. Thank you so much, Penny, for organizing this collab, because had it not been for this collab, I probably would not have touched this area. Even though I've done so many other areas in the home, this is one that I've totally neglected. So thanks again, Penny, for organizing this collab. As we move along in this video, you'll see where I've taken everything from the shelves, including all the purse. These are all old purses that I've had, that I've taken all the purses down, and they're all ready to go to Goodwill. Here I have them out on the entryway to this room, and they're all lined up. I think there are at least 14 or so of these purses and a lamp, and these are all Goodwill items ready to go. As you can see, most of the items are taken out of the closet except for the hangers. Goodwill does not accept hangers, so of course I'll have to figure out something else for the hangers. But all I have in here are just some clothes for my son who lives abroad. And of course I have some items that came from the cleaners. Some spreads and some tablecloths that were cleaned recently. Recently, I had put some shower curtain rings on this hanger to use to put some belts on. So they've come in perfect now. I can use them. You can see the belts at the side here. This is what I'm using this hanger for now. So this is just an overview of what the room looks like right now. It's clean and organized, including the closet, and I'm so happy I took the time today to get this done. The co-hosts with Penny are as follows: The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, Organized by Darcy, The Work From Home Wife of Atlanta, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Buckeye Girls Decorate and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, J Mom Creations, and Merely Melissa. I just want to say a special thanks also to all our co-hosts as we motivate each other to accomplish this task. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize a space in your home. Remember, this is a 4-part series, 2 more weeks to go. Next week, we'll be cleaning and organizing another space in our home. And guess what? You're welcome to participate. It's an open collab. So I really look forward to seeing you next week. As usual, goodbye and good luck.